What's up, guys? Today we are destroying every single thing in Teardown. Marina. What's this? I'm gonna destroy this entire bridge. Oh, okay. It's stronger than I thought. Wow. You're attract. I'm not gonna knock them. Oh god, wait. I can... What's this? You see this boat? No, you don't. Oh my god. I'm gonna slam this on the ground. Wait, it's gonna jump on the bridge. Be careful, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at it. It's so big. Boom. Now die. Get away from my face. Okay. Come on. Oh my gosh. What's this? I'm gonna make my range bigger. What's this? Tracked. Implode. Haha. It's buried in it. Oh my gosh. I'm a bit laggy right now because I also have guys but I can... Oh, let's make our range even bigger. Pick up every single thing. And then get this. And then... And then... Oh my gosh. I'm also going to be using this Minigun. Die. And also this handgun. Kaboom! And also this laser gun. It's not really that powerful, that's the only problem. And this revengeance katana. Watch this. Boom! Chopped it in half. Now I pick it up. Grab all the stuff. Get away from my face! Watch this. I'm gonna slice both of these open. Diagonally. Wait. Yeah, like this. Clean slice. You can see that. Watch this. Die. Okay. Okay, this is a lot of stuff. Get away from my face. That went so far. Look at this giant ship. This is a giant ship. And we throw it up so I can grab it again. Throw it up one more time. And up one more time. Oh, no mind, it disappeared. Okay, that's good. Now dunk. Oh my gosh, what is this? Okay, the vengeance katana, die. Right, let me get back. There, that's good. Haha. Then pick up this entire building, and you shall begin. Oh. Okay. It's been a while. Destroyed like pretty much everything. Except this. Oh. Now I might be able to pick up this entire building, which will be insane. This way. Oh god, but it's still alive. How is it still alive? Haha. So that should be good. There, now it's good. Alright, what the heck? Let's go. Okay. This guy is dead. I have a jetpack too. Okay, let's cut this building in half. No, nice guy. Boom. There it is. Look at that. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Look at all that. Oh my gosh. That is insane. That's so cool. Now I can grab these, smush them together into one massive spear of the moon. God. One. Yeah. Die. Everything must die. Everything must die. 3, 2, 1. Boom. I'm cooked. Right? Oh no. Oh god. Look at that, this ship. This giant ship. Oh. Okay. I just got an achievement. Oh god. It's fooling me. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Destroy. Split in half. Maybe this is what happened to that Titanic. That's it. I'm exploding everything. What's this? Let's see. Let's get. Which one should I get? I'm gonna get. Black hole. Black hole looks cool. Black hole. Haha. I'm shooting black hole, man. Die. They're black holes. I need to bring in black holes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The black holes are destroying everything. Boom. Pew pew. Cap. Boom. debris must be removed. My God. What happened to this place, man? There's still some cars and stuff. We're dead. Cooked. This is insane, bro. 3, 2, 1. Kaboom! One thing I like doing is doing this. And then, instead of picking up a knife, I do this. Slamming on the ground. Oh God, there's so much stuff here. Is this a house? Yeah, it is. You must... This is how far I can do this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for today. That was pretty fun. And yeah, see ya guys.